Hello and welcome guys to our channel. Today we are going to build this kind of our basic SwiftUI app using the topics what we are covered in our previous sections or previous videos. So if you don't see that videos, just go to the channel, see the video and then try to build that app. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, in our app, we need to add some navigation view for our navigation bar. So just add navigation view like this and give it title, navigation title, app. Okay, then we use one wish tag for our whole view and then we add two wish tags for our two cards. Like that's done, and that let's give it some modifiers. Let's dot give it some padding, give it some frame like width of 400, height of 450, and we don't need alignment at that time. And give background. I will specify an image for the background. Background. Okay. And give it corner radius of 13.0. That's it. Just copy these modifiers and add these. Just change of height 250. If you want to take this background, then take this, and if you want to change. I don't change it. Our navigation title is not visible, so just give it here. So it's visible. Now see that our app is pretty similar to this. Now we just add these two images and one buttons. So in this wish tag we are going to add two image views in horizontal and one buttons. So just use another wish tag, and in this wish tag we are going to use h tag. In this h tag we are going to put our images and images card of I think 14. Yes, that's visible. And another image is card of let's take 12. Done. Don't worry guys, I will give these all kind of images in our description, so just don't worry about it. Just add these and give them some paddings like this. First of all, give these paddings, padding and padding. With the resume button, let's see. That's pretty similar to this. Now add one button. So be outside the h tag. Let's use one horizontal tag and add one button. Actions. Do what? Here you can specify your code that is performed on the button click. I will give it some text like shuffle cards. Okay, then give it some paddings, some background colors like I am giving it color of let's give it white. Dot white. Okay. Give it some foreground color of dot black. Let's give it white and change it to black. So now it's pretty visible. So if you can see, here is our corner radius. So just add one more corner radius modifier and 10 minus 0. So here our first module is completed, and just hit the preview button, live preview. Here you can see our button, our two images. That's right. And now we are going to work on another section that previews the score of the player. So just use one another wish tag which we created first. Add some text. First use add wish tag for text like I am giving text for score. Give it some padding. Give it some font size like I will give it large title. Give okay, that's visible, and just change foreground color to white. Oops, sorry, white. Okay, that's done. After this, we are going to add one horizontal stack for both, and in that horizontal stack, just make two different vertical stacks for player 1 and player 2. So just here make one horizontal stack and make two vertical stacks for players. That's right. Just then we have to give use to text use. So add text like player 1 and add another text of showing that score 0. Let's wait for the preview. Okay, here is showing. Just copy that stuff and paste here. Change it to player 2 and let's wait for some previews. Okay, that's done. So now we add some modifiers to our text, like give it some padding, give it font size, give it title, also give it padding. That's are pretty similar. So that's it for today. We just don't confuse, because it's in starting it is looking like that is why we use many stacks inside stacks, stacks inside stacks. Just don't confuse and just keep practicing and keep coding so that you can understand how it all works here. So that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon that so that you can get the latest notifications about our new videos. So meet you guys in next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay learned, and goodbye and Jai Hind.